Viewers, there is a big breaking news coming in. The Jammu and Kashmir police has launched a verification drive to check SIM issuing centers of telecom players. The data of people who have been issued SIM cards is being checked thoroughly. Jammu SP said that this time Jammu and Kashmir police has specially focused on SIM vendors issuing SIM cards in the border areas. The Jammu and Kashmir police is verifying fake SIM cards being sold in Jammu and Kashmir, for which they've launched a drive to check the SIM issuing centers of telecom partners. The SIM cards that have been issued, the data is being checked thoroughly by the police. These are the visuals on your screens. In fact, Jammu's SP has also said that this time the police is specially focusing on SIM vendors who issue SIM cards. We also have a report on the story. Take a look.
Jammu and Kashmir police has launched a mega crackdown to curb the misuse of the SIM cards by the antisocial elements. Right now we are in the Jammu rural area where the police has launched a massive drive. This is to check the SIM cards that have been issued by the vendors so that they cannot be used for any detrimental activities. Right now we are in the Jammu rural area where the senior officials, including the SP rural, they are checking the details of the SIM cards that have been issued from the vendors by the local vendors, because there have been instances where the terrorists or their associates have been seen using the SIM cards for communication across the border, and they have proved to be detrimental for the national security. And now all the details are thoroughly being checked. You see the ID cards and the numbers when it was issued. Everything is being kept recorded, and if something goes amiss, then it will invite a strict action from the Jammu and Kashmir police. सर, आप लोग जो है हर एक दुकान पे आज अचानक जो है चेक कर रहे हैं, क्या मोटिव है मेन इसका?
मैं आपको बताता चलूं कि जम्मू पुलिस की ओर से, स्पेशली जम्मू डिस्ट्रिक्ट की मैं बात करूं तो हमने एक वेरिफिकेशन ड्राइव जो है वो स्टार्ट की है। जो हमारे मेजर टेलीकॉम प्लेयर हैं, क्या वो जियो है, एयरटेल है, वोडाफोन है, जहां भी उनके जो सेंटर्स हैं जहां पे सिम इशू की जाती हैं, हम वहां पे पहुंचे हैं। हमने इनका पूरा डाटा जो है वो चेक किया है कि किस किस को जो सिम जो इन्होंने इशू की है, अभी तक जो डाटा वो अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने मेंटेन किया है। मैं आपके माध्यम से एक और चीज हमने यहाँ पे चेक की है, वो ये की है कि जो सिम इन्होंने इशू की है, क्या वही रियल ओनर है, उसी को इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, वो भी हमने क्रॉस चेक किया है। तो अभी तक जितने भी हमने चेक किया है वो वही बंदे लोग हैं इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। आपके माध्यम से मैं जनता से एक ही बात कहूंगा कि अपनी सिम किसी तीसरे बंदे को ना दें, क्योंकि कभी भी अगर वो सिम मिसयूज होती है तो जो ओनर है उस सिम का, उसके लिए परेशानियां बढ़ सकती हैं। तो उसी दिशा में एक जम्मू पुलिस की ओर से ये मुहिम थी। हम जगह जगह जा रहे हैं और जितने भी वेंडर्स हैं ये सिम के, उनको हम अवगत भी करवा रहे हैं और ब्रीफ भी कर रहे हैं।
सर, क्योंकि जो रूरल का इलाका है ये सरहदी इलाका भी पड़ता है, तो चैलेंजेस कहीं ना कहीं मैनीफोल्ड हो जाते हैं।
नहीं, ये हमारी ऐसी एक्सरसाइज चलती रहती है, लेकिन इस बार जो स्पेशली हमने फोकस किया है वो सिम वेंडर्स पे किया है। और आपने जैसे कहा कि हमारा बिल्कुल जो है सरहदी इलाका है, तो मैं सबको यही कहूंगा, जितने भी आपके माध्यम से जितने भी हमारे ये सिम लोग जो डीलर्स हैं, तो जब भी आपने सिम किसी को देनी है तो आप पूरे दस्तावेज जो भी हैं, पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट प्रॉपर ले लें, प्रॉपर वेरीफाई कर लें, उसी के बाद सिम उनको जो है वो दें।
We're also being joined by my colleague Gursimran, who is live from Ground Zero in Jammu right now to get us more on the story. Gursimran, tell us more. The Jammu and Kashmir police have launched a drive to crack down on fake SIM card users. Tell us more. What are these drives looking like, and where are these aimed? Are these aimed at security issues? Tell us more.
Yes, this is based on a direction that was issued by the Central Investigation Agency, that is the CID wing of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, that is the intelligence wing of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, based on some inputs that the antisocial elements, especially the terror associates, are using the SIM cards that they have procured somewhere using the illegal means, and then they are using the same to connect with the handlers across the border in the Pakistan. Owing to the recent security threats, even the terror attacks that have taken place, this has surfaced, and after the directions from the CID wing of the Jammu and Kashmir Kashmir Police. This action has been initiated. As we speak, more than 1 lakh random checkings have been done. 1 lakh SIM cards that have been issued have been randomly checked by the Jammu and Kashmir Police at the different locations across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, because this is going on at every level, at a police station level, at a police post level. These kind of verifications have been initiated by the Jammu and Kashmir Police. There is a record that is also being maintained that there are some of the SIM cards that are under suspicion, and that has been submitted to the CID wing of the Jammu and Kashmir Police that will further act. And also the legal action will also follow against those who are not keeping a complete record or have issued the SIM cards on someone other's name deliberately in the exchange of money or something else, and that is what is being worked upon. But a mega crackdown has begun on to curb the illegal use of the SIM cards by these anti-social, anti-national elements in Jammu and Kashmir.